So I'm starting with the first storage class, and that is auto. So let me give you what auto is. So first storage class is auto. Auto means local variable known to only to the function is known as a auto variable. So by default, whatever you declare inside the function it is a auto variable. For example, if you are writing here that is integer number is equal to 10, or if you write auto integer number is equal to 10, this is the number 1 and this is the number 2, then this both number are same, right? So the number which is declared locally, it is known as a auto integer. So by default in a C language, the variable declared inside the function is an auto. So if you are not writing auto, then by default it is an auto. So auto is the storage class which is used for the local variable known to the function. Declaration simple: auto, data type, variable name. Accessibility is within the function or block. So if you are declaring the number 1 over here, then you cannot access this number 1 outside the function. For example, I have the function and I am accessing here, that is printf %d, and I am accessing the number 1. I will not be able to access this. It will give me an error, right? So whenever you declare, even not you can access the number 2 also. Why? Because it is declared as a local. So that variable you cannot access outside the function. Storage of this is the primary memory. Default value of this variable is garbage. For example, if you are not initializing the value of the auto variable, then it will simply assign the garbage to that particular variable. For example, I am writing here number 2, right? So number 2 value, that will be initialized as a garbage. Let me run this. So whenever you write build and run, it will print the garbage value inside the number 2, and that will be the 62 right now. Sometimes it will be different, but if you are initializing the value, for example number is equal to 10, then you will get the value 10 over here. So this is the auto variable, and by default all the variable declared inside the function, it is known as a auto variable in a C language. So it is the default storage class. Now the second storage class is known as a extern. What is extern? Extern is a global variable that is known to all the functions in the file, right? And it will be accessible. That will be accessible using the extern, right? So external variable that can be accessible using the extern data type, right? You can declare in a other file and also you can access the same, right? Accessibility is within the combination of the program module. Let me give the example for the same. Suppose I have a new file in which I am just declaring integer and the value is, for example, x is equal to 150, right? I'm just saving this. This is the program 1 dot, for example, program 1 dot c. So my value of this variable x is equal to 150. Now I want to access this x over here in my program, right? So how we can access this? Very simple. Here you can just write has include. Whenever you are accessing any program that you want to access in your file other than the header file, then write it within the double quote. And within the double quote, you can write program1.c. So this program1.c will be included over here. And now you can declare over here that is extern integer x. No need to assign the value. No need to assign the value. You can simply print your variable value, that is %d. X is equal to %d and print the x. Definitely I had not initialized the value over here. The value is initialized in program 1 that I am accessing in demo 15, right? And this is the external variable that I am accessing in an integer main function. And whenever you run this, you will get the value that is x is equal to, and that is 150. See here, you are getting the value that is x is equal to 150. It means we are accessing the external variable that is declared in the outside the functions or outside the program module, right? That you can access using the external storage class. So what is action? Accessibility within the combination of the program module. Storage is again a primary memory, and the default value of this variable is 0. For example, might be a chance people are forgot to define the value of this x. So only x is defined over here, right? But I have not initialized any value over here, that is in program 1.c. Now I'm simply executing this particular program, then I will get the x is equal to 0, right? Remember students, default value of the auto storage class is garbage, and the default value of the extern is the 0, right? So default value is 0. Now third one, that is the register variable. Local variable which is stored in the register, it is known as a register storage class. Again, the accessibility is within the function or the block where it is declared. How to declare the register variable? Simple. If you want to declare the register variable, then you can write over here, and that is, for example, register integer I is equal to 50. So what happened in the case of register? The variable defined as the register is allocated in the memory into the CPU register, and depending upon the size of the memory remaining in the CPU. Remember students, we cannot dereference the register variable. That is, we cannot use the ampersand operator for the register variable. For example, if you are declaring here register integer I is equal to 50, and if you are printing here, that is I is equal to percentage D. If you are printing I, then you can write here I, and your I will be printed over here, that is I is equal to 50. But if you are trying to get the value from the use of, for example, scanf percentage D ampersand I, and if you are building and running, right, you will get an error, and the error is what? See here, the error says that the address of the register variable I is requested. So register variable value, that is address, you cannot request. So remember what you need to remember. We cannot use the ampersand operator with the register variable. Access time of the register variable is faster than the auto. Why? Access time, why fast? Because it is declared inside the memory. So in which situation register variable is best? So whenever you are looking for the counter, and if you want to initialize something, so register keyword is used for the variable which should be stored in the CPU register. So register variable is definitely the faster than the auto. Why? Because it is directly stored into the register of the CPU. While auto where stored, auto is stored in the primary memory, and this is stored in the CPU. So it is, you can say, faster. And the default value of this variable is garbage, right? External variable has the default value 0, and register variable has the default value garbage. And the wonderful storage class, and that storage class is known as the static. Why I said that it is wonderful? See, static storage class will do what? It will simply retain the value. See, local variable which retains its value even after the control is transferred to the calling function, it is known as a static. Let me give you the example for the same. But before this, I want to discuss how to declare this. So very simple, static, data type, and variable name. So here we already declared the three storage class over here: extern, auto, and register. Now I want to use, and that is static. Let me give the example for the static. For example, I have the function that is void my function, right? This is the simple function void my function. Now I'm simply doing what? See carefully. I have the variable integer I is equal to 100. I have the variable that is integer I is equal to 100. Now what I'm doing, see carefully students. I want to print here the value, that is printf percentage D, and I'm simply incrementing the value of I, that is I plus plus. Now I want to call this function from here, that is for I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. And I'm just calling the function that is my function. So 10 times this function will be called. Am I right? Yes. See, 10 times this function will be called. Let me put the comment over here so you people don't get the confused. Right? I just declared the variable integer I over here. Now what I want to do, see carefully. I'm just running my loop, that is I equal to 0 to 10. I'm just calling the function my function. Every time this function will do what? It will initialize with the 100 and it will simply print the 100 and then it will increment the value 101. But 10 times I will get the 100 over here. So whenever you run this 0 to 10, see 10 times, every time I will get the 100. Why? Because this integer I is the auto variable, and auto variable do what? It will be declared every time in the functions whenever you declare. So I'm calling the function my function, auto is declared again. So every time it is declared with the 100, print the 100 and then it increment with the 101. But again it will be called and it will initialize with the 100, again 101, but every time it will print the value same, and that is 100. But I don't want to print the 100 every time. I want that this variable should be initialized only once, first time, and after that this statement should be skipped. So in short, I want to retain the value. At that time, you can declare the static variable over here. And whenever you declare the static, see what happened. Whenever you declare static, your 100 will remain same. Then your 100 will be retained. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108 and 109. It means my static variable is retaining the value and it is printing over here. Let me remove here, there is integer I. I'm just simply removing the comment. I'm just running this particular code again. And if you look carefully what happened, see what happened. This my variable is declared external X. This is my auto variable. This is my register variable I. Register variable I used in a function. And this is my static variable. It is retaining my value, and every time it is retaining, that is the reason why once it is declared with the 100, every time it is simply incrementing the value. So I'm getting 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and all this, right? So these are the 4 storage class. What is static? Simple. Accessibility of the static is 2. That is, you can declare your variable as a static local as well as you can declare the static global. So if you declare the static local, then it is within the function or block where it is declared. So static will do what? Simply it retains the value. Every time you can reuse the same. So within the program file where it is declared, static storage class is primary memory. Default value of the variable static is 0. So what happened in this case? Please see carefully. What happened in this case? If you are not initializing the variable I, then what happened? It will simply retain the value. It will start with the 0 and you will get the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So default value of the static is 0. Right? So we discussed the 4 storage class over here. And if you look carefully, then auto has the default value, that is garbage. Extern has the default value, that is 0. Register has the default value, that is garbage. Static has the default value, that is 0. And in this all examples, if you look carefully, then I talk about what auto is, where it is accessible, what is the storage class of that, what is the default value, and how you can declare this. These are the 4 things we discuss about the storage class, and this storage class we can use inside the function. Main itself a function, so I use the extern, auto, register and static, and I given the example for the same.